In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Mailerlite. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to streamline your processes, setting up templates can make your campaigns more efficient and professional. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to the Mailerlite website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, click on the login button. For those who prefer using Google credentials, you can simplify this process by clicking on sign in with Google. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the My Templates option. This is where you'll manage all your email templates, ensuring that your branding remains consistent across all your communications. With that done, it's time to create a new template. You'll find the Create Template button here. Click on it to begin crafting your template. This step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your email marketing efforts. A well-structured template not only saves time but also maintains uniformity. Next, you'll need to name your template. Think of a name that is descriptive yet concise, making it easy to identify later. It's a small step, but it can greatly enhance your organizational efficiency. Once you've settled on a name, click on Save and Continue. This ensures that your work is preserved and you're ready to proceed. For the content layout, Mailerlite offers two great options: the drag and drop editor and pre-designed templates. If you enjoy designing your layout, the drag and drop editor is your creative playground. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker start, selecting a pre-designed template might suit your needs better. Once you've made your choice, click on Choose to finalize your decision. Now comes the fun part: editing the template. Here you can customize the design elements to align with your brand's aesthetics. Add your logo, change fonts, tweak colors, and adjust the layout to ensure it resonates well with your audience. Remember, a visually appealing email template can significantly increase engagement. Finally, after editing, don't forget to click on Save Template. This step ensures all your hard work is saved and ready for use in your future email campaigns. Saving the template not only consolidates your efforts but also empowers you to replicate successful campaigns effortlessly. With your new email template saved, you're all set to enhance your email marketing strategy with efficiency and creativity. So, next time you plan an email campaign, remember that your professional and personalized template is just a few clicks away in Mailerlite. Happy emailing!